on the roof of our office, super windy. Today we had an amazing day. We had a team meeting talking about the upcoming events. I'm doing the same thing, just reviewing new partners, looking for new technologies that we can cooperate with, and that's it.
Hey, how's it going? So yesterday I made some improvements to our smart contracts. I also worked with this guy on our autonomous boat project and on our API documentation, and I prepared to welcome a new R&D team leader who's joining us today. Today he joined us. This is Shachar. You're going to be seeing a lot more of him. My friend. We spent the first part of my day working together, seeing the different systems, and getting up to speed. Also today I have a call with a potential advisor, a KYC service provider. I'm meeting another developer later who's going to be helping us with the developer community. And tonight at midnight I have a call with the W3C, the World Wide Web Consortium, the Automotive Working Group, which I've been asked to join as an invited expert. This is a group working to set the standards for connected cars of all the different companies, so it's really exciting. See you tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I continued with answering the emails that are coming in and keeping our social channels updated. I also continued with the content planner and planning out what's going to be coming up for keeping you updated over the next couple of weeks. Today it will be more of the same. When I tell you I'm fielding emails from morning till night, it's not an exaggeration. We're happy that everybody's reaching out and asking us questions. I will also be coordinating the announcement of our newest advisory board member. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so yesterday I continued working on the new addition to our missions app for the autonomous boat section and on the new designs for the developer portal, which today was finally finished. So we're going to push this update live very soon. Today we moved to a new office as we have a new team member joined, Shachar, and I started creating wireframes for a new page in the website that's going to be called the technology page. And as you scroll down, it will reveal new milestones and new POCs that we're working on or developments that we pushed live. So this will be the main focus today. This is it, guys. Thanks.
Hi guys. Yesterday I finished our illustration for communication protocol. Today I'll make new page for site media page, and I make several little fixes in our homepage. In the page we will place our media materials. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. So yesterday we worked on a few additional pages for the website, such as the media page and things like that, getting that further down the line now that we have the new branding updated. Also had a good advisor call in the morning with another potential advisor, worked on some stuff on the paid media side of things, worked on a few things I believe as it remains towards the DAV Alliance, and then also worked on some content pieces actually leading into today. So today, really exciting day, had an awesome executive team meeting this morning. So a lot of great things happening there, a lot of action items coming from that. We had and are having a huge announcement today, which we just brought on the former CTO of General Motors. So really excited about that. Alan's a great guy and really excited to have him as part of the team. So worked on that content piece this morning and a few other things. And then later on today, I'm heading to an event here in San Francisco, which is focused all around blockchain and the future of technology and things like that. So overall, a very exciting day, meeting great people and doing good work. Thanks everybody.